We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's go ahead and break it down. So to begin this pattern, we are going to start already on the dance floor, and we are in sort of a modified dance position. You'll notice that our arms on this side are a little more relaxed, but we're still in dance position. This is nice and low, almost like you're doing your swing, which we'll get to later in the dance. So we want this nice and low, and we'll do 3 sways before getting into our dip. So we do a sway for the leader on the left, follower on the right. We repeat on the opposite foot, so leader right, follower left. One more sway. Now we're setting up for this dip. So follower, as you put the weight onto your left foot, leader, you're gonna put the weight onto your right foot. Rotate your body just a little bit to let your partner lean into your right arm, and then bring them up. Great. So we have a musical cue here. You're gonna hear her say crashing. That's when you're gonna go down into your dip. Follower, take your time getting back up. Let's talk just a little bit about dip position. So for my leader, you want to bend into your right leg. Left leg is going to be straight. Your follower is going to be right there in your right arm. You want to make sure that you're giving the most support so your elbow is nice and high. And then again, you're holding your partner's left hand nice and low. That way they can rotate their body out. It's going to give a really nice picture moment. Keep your shoulders nice and rolled back. Try not to lean over your partner too much, because that's going to create a little bit of instability if there's too much weight going in one direction. For my follower, you're going to have your weight on your left foot. Right foot is going to be pointed in front of you. I really want to think about just sort of sinking down, and then I can let my head roll back. I don't want to push my hips forward too much and put too much weight on my leader. Otherwise, I feel like I'm going to fall backwards. It's going to feel more like a trust fall. And we don't want that feeling. We want to be really stable and in control of our movement, so that way we can do a slow come up on 5, 6, 7, 8. So we hit the dip on 4, we come up 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're ready to start our foxtrot. My last note for my followers, when you're in this dip position, think about rolling your shoulder out and away from your partner, because if you stay here, it's going to look really crunched and you're going to look really hidden. You want to open your body up. It's going to look a lot more natural.